Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Treasury bonds on interactive brokers. First, log into your account and access the trading platform. Then, locate the Trade menu and select Bonds. This will open the bond trading interface where you can search for various Treasury securities. We'll cover how to filter for specific maturities and yields to match your investment goals. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look. Once in the bond trading interface, use the search bar to find Treasury or specific CUSIP. Refine your search using filters for maturity dates, from short-term bills to long-term bonds. Pay close attention to the yield, to maturity and current bid, and ask prices. This helps you assess potential return and liquidity. Compare different offerings to find the best fit for your portfolio and investment goals. After selecting a Treasury security, proceed to the Order Entry panel. Specify the quantity of bonds you want to buy. Remember, bond prices are typically quoted per $100 of face value. Choose your order type. A limit order lets you set a maximum price. Review all order details carefully before submitting to ensure accuracy and avoid errors in your transaction. Before finalizing, a confirmation screen will display all your order details. Double-check the security, quantity, price, and total cost. Once confirmed, submit your order. You can then monitor the status of your trade and view your new Treasury bond holdings in your interactive broker's portfolio. Regularly review your investments to ensure they align with your financial objectives. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look at the links in the description below. Happy investing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.